Hrangkhawl kok by sagari tang sana mas.
Sini road roll rock kayo.
Debar ma kok khasi gitu ma.
Kan kuan hong video kan isen pui kan lom. Bye bye.
Okay, first of all, before starting the vlog, I want to tell you, we are not vlogging. We are doing for our own interest and to keep the journey memory of our shooting videos. So this is all what. Guys, again, this is the Mokurishan team. You can see. Ekdom for the canal right there. Tini, no tini. So almost since I feel I'm gonna tonight. All by canal, but non-stop. Shoot tonight, tini, shoot tonight. So let's see how long behind Boma has struggled, Boma has circumstance man. Yeah. Yeah, 2 music videos in 2 days. Let's hope for the best. Yeah. Okay, so after almost 1 hour journey to our South Africa, almost some time half we call jump on our area. I'm going to bro and turn now. Yeah. Ini bahkan kena ni bagi prepare kai dong kena ceng kena ini duet shoot dong ini ke bunyi project first time ceng Hrangkhawl community hai ke Hrangkhawl ni kasi traditional no sung pun matang itu and it will be a experience for us to work with them and to know their culture. So yeah, we are hoping for the best and sini member tay odek kai dong so ceng otak kisah nasi lagi dong and tay kisah kan sung tengah ada sini. Hope jatuh nak ham dong. Okay.
Good morning.
Lam tas ang pagka, ang tawag finally sang lam ra lene. Ora ko sang scooty pagka. Okay, ay ni siming kita kasi gari betang ra lene. Okay. Hopefully sang wap sugit to. Datin pai nan bagay. Happen sang ar sarik drama tong le. Because stable member as join the nai amni bagay. Okay.
Sini rawan sai to tin ke asin pore.
Malay ne.
Sini technician, cute boy.
Jatan aba. Mungkin tay mas sana malay pagka. Okay. Nagwana ko ta kong nung na ba kasi half day sung sara bahay tang sari nanding kene. Kita sung oro mas drop sama nasing lai ne. So here what we are shooting for something and it will be official and people guys will know about it later on. We'll update it very soon. See the worm is here with the gimbal. This is public place. So this is for me. We'll be shooting here. Okay. This is accident driver. Reserve round contact number. Any kind of reserve. This happen thana musongke. Contact kai mana karo. Well I cannot come. Ekdam heavy driver, heavy. So enter the Hrangkhawl Bazar area means Hrangkhawl Para. Oi, can't come here. Can't copyright manage. Okay, so he's a cast for today. Let's welcome him. Okay. Yes. Morning. Okay, so we are going forward for the location. Let's see.
Will be doing. We still need to go. It will take us 6 to 8 minutes.
Okay, so let's go. Okay. Chill. This is all this is the place we already entered to the Hrangkhawl village. There will be our many friends. Some are from many schools and many colleges and universities. So let's see how we can work here. The location is feeling quite melody and it's good. You can see around people are working. This is the field work our people used to do. And okay, we're gonna do it. It's in Mora Sopaga, the Sindraini Mura, Hrangkhawl Para, but isa kaitong area bong Hanjago. Okay, let's see. Back shoot Kailena. Two already. We are set. Okay, also Sopaga.
It's your wish. If you want, you can.
They already came, no? See? It's okay. On it, we can walk.
Let's go.
How far is how many it will take? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
It will take like 5 minutes.
Okay, it's enough. We can take. Okay, we are like doing now. This is second. My team is up, but here I'm walking again, and I think the calories will burn something. Oh, bye! I'll get copyright though. You can see this is the location. Finally, we reach here, and okay, this is the place. It's like a very tough day for us because after a long time we are walking again because this kind of shoot my morning long way we already walked, but again after a long time after this lockdown COVID we are here again and walking this long distance place to reach the location. So let's hope for the best. Let's see how we do. Oh my god, oh my god, oh okay, no be man leng zak no happen no always I sham Hrangkhawl smile only, so things get easier. And lama not to sin vai ni I think entry part okay aro asam right to nai thoi to mo no be like sizak no khana and they bro hard work hai to. Okay, I think this road is nice. This is straightforward road and okay, order pine tini on pai sung rest gari khana ba hai nai tong tai ni no 3 days continuous shoot. Let's do this, man. Oh, it's nice. Checked. And here we completed the shoot. So this is the first debut of Rohan bro. How you're feeling here?
Yo, everything is going lit, man.
Okay, so it's already over. Now we will be waiting for our member for tomorrow's shoot. And here is some photo shot is going on after the shoot. And everything will be wrapped up now. And let's explore this village after the shoot. We'll take some rest and again we'll continue the vlog day after day. Means after project to this out. Hey bro. Oh, this is a memory I'm taking with you, right? Did you say? Did you say? Hrangkhawl kok by sagari.
Sini road roll kayo.
Debar ma kok kasi gitu.
Kan kuan hong video kan isin pui kan lom. Bye bye. Nang ye tai dang. Ma adu lukai.
Ngomong ke Hrangkhawl para. How you like the
finally,
street?
location for Syarah.
And thank you for the street. It's really nice. And the hot street is so nice.
And
So,
thank you so much to brother Rohan for inviting us in his village for his shoot.
See you again next time.
and the American Korean boy is so burned like a hot dog. But my mobile is full, so he will look nice only.
Cute, he will look
Video.
cute.
People will overacting to this vlog, but this is us.
Cute lips or what?
We are not blogging for someone like for earning. We are blogging to see in the future how we was and how we enjoy the journey. So this is all about our journey, not to impress you. So some people are commenting about us that overacting, over over, but we don't even care. This is what we are. You got it, man.
Tabang vlog này tu. Bye bye.
Okay. Namaskar.
Yeah, bye, bro.
Not recording only this vlog.
I'm recording not. Okay, yeah, I'm recording. So we are now moving towards village. And see member Azakawa Tabuk Nashingi to Sumasum
Don't feel vlog.
Borong join the night and it's quite experiences and experience. Okay, cool. I got a lot of things to Tabuk, Chini Chopon all the time. And it's quite a hot day for us. See, I got a work. Musurok, see, I'm going to go to the other.
Myanmar ko saraya bodo bai.
Kalau sampai ke, dah saling bongkar, ke sengyang di sini parang tu nak, ke orang naik mana ni, ekdom borok tahan, belum haltu borok, ekdom haltu rok, itu oh, bini blok dong, bisa kotor tu ni, haltu blok hayo, ke sengat tahu kisah music sama rom naik, ke padi, talan nong. Okay, since I'm going to after a long time, I'm going to मा दङ गुरु माल थ' टेब आप थ' लं टाइम आंबो फायजाया बोसोराव वासा बोसोराव मागे टाइम मानो जो बरावबो जोंनियाव तिनि न फैला आं जे साइमन मतेके तिनि न फैला ब्रल दा जम 15 सों खिबि ग्राम फन ब्लक खमाय थानायाव हायजा